Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can jailbreak any iPhone or iPad with the newest iOS 12.1. So as you can see, I've got iOS 12.1 installed on my iPhone. And now I'm going to jailbreak them. And to do that, we're going to have to open our internet browser on iOS device. This is only working site that I found in the internet. Read details about jailbreak if you want, or simply install Cydia app. Now, as you can see, we have to verify that we are human. Alright, we have to download 2 of apps from here and follow instruction given in the content locker. Remember, if you don't do this, the generator won't work. In my case, I have to open First app and start free trial, and then click Connect button. I done this off the record to not show my personal data. The same thing I have to do in the second app. Start free trial and click Connect button. Okay, now restart your phone. After this, jailbreak will be done, as you can see on my iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you like it, subscribe me for more video.